In this video, we're going to learn how to use the DSUM function. You would use the DSUM function to calculate the sum of a specified column in a dataset based on specified criteria. So I'll start here in cell C23. I'll say equal DSUM. This function is great for large databases where you have to either sum something or average something or whatnot based on a certain criteria, and it makes your calculation much more simple. So we'll start here. Database is the first argument. This is the range of cells containing my data. And so the first row here should contain your column headers, which is what this data set does. So I'm going to go ahead and select from here to here. Next, I have my field, which is the column I want to sum. And I'm going to go ahead and specify this with my column header. I could also do it with my column numbers. So in this range here, if I want to go ahead and sum up my quantities, this would be 1, 2, 3, the fourth column over. But I'm going to go ahead and use that column header instead. Finally, my criteria. This is the range of cells containing the criteria for filtering out my data. So this range should have the same column headers as my database. And I have that right down here. I have my column header and the cell for the criteria to be in. Notice how my column header down here is also found in my database, which is very important. I'm going to go ahead and close it out and push enter. And here we see for the monitors it summed up their quantity, which is 676 from here. If I were to go ahead and change this to be USB, which is also found here in my products, and push enter, I would get the sum quantity for USBs. Let's say I want to go ahead and do it for laptops. I would go ahead and type in laptop. Here I have the sum for my quantities for my laptops. This is how we use the DSUM function.